This is a tornado-style tag team matchup. Like a tornado, this one's going to be fast and furious.
Well, I know one thing for certain. We're going to get our money's worth in this one. This one could be the match of the night. But I know one thing for sure. If history is any guide, this night will be epic and awesome.
Oh, wow, Strike found nothing but empty air that time.
Man, that's what you call swinging for the fences and missing.
Adding insult to potential injury there. Quick thinking to avoid that. Just toying with the competition a little.
Oh, look at the emotion. Oh, man. Hurting the ribs and the lower back. That just takes all of the power out of it.
He's on the defensive here. And it's so hard to create a tornado tag team match such as this.
But you know what? No matter the format or competitors involved, you know we're in for a great one here.
Not going to win many matches with that move. Moves like that can upset your opponent more than hurt them.
And he gets level.
Not today, too fast. Nobody home there.
Nobody home? Cole, that looks like the house has been empty for months.
And he dodges that one. He's starting to stagger a bit. The tornado tag team atmosphere appears to be getting the best of him here.
And no matter what, these are the types of nights they'll write about in the WWE annals for years to come.
Oh, he missed that one. God, that's got to hurt.
Yeah, you're not doing any damage with swings like that, but keep doing it. The freeze may give him a cold.
He's starting to stumble here. And it's so hard to create space for yourself in a tornado tag team match such as this.
You know what? No matter the format or competitors involved, you know we're in for a great one here. He's absolutely relentless here.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Oh, this will bring everybody to their feet.
Here we go, back inside the ring.
What do you mean we? We're still out.
And he kicks out.
And he lives to fight again.
Dodges to the side of that one. Man, oh man, did he take a wild swing with that one.
Right, that was wild indeed. Good thing we're over here.
Breathtaking acrobatics on display here. I don't want to know what that feels like.
Yeah, well, I've felt it before, and you're right, you don't want to know.
Avoids the impact there.
He wants this battle decided inside the ring.
And that's why he's such a great athlete, such an important superstar.
Look out! Look out!
And he breaks the cover, forcing the referee to stop the count.
Well, that's just not enough to get the job done.
We're looking at complete domination here. Here's a cover, and the shoulders up.
And the match continues. I love this. I can't believe it. He just won't go away. Oh, there is no quit in this man tonight.
If his back wasn't hurt before, it certainly is now.
Get it?
And a kick out.
And that's all that matters. This match continues.
When this guy's on,
that's it. He's out. Whoa! Don't get up.
I just can't get over the physicality of this match. This has been brutal. It's just a matter of time now.
For the pin and the win.
2. This is a wreck. He's moving like an...
Look at this. This could do it, maybe.
Nice. Oh, yeah.
The back is the largest area on the human body and thus always a target.
I know what you mean. You know, I've got a weak back.
How would you have that? dangerously close to losing this match for his team.
But hey, I have a feeling the WWE Universe is in for a treat tonight. Could this be it? I think so.
Quick thinking to avoid that. Stomp until the cows come home, King. Ouch.
Yeah, when the cows come home, stomp them. Oh, gosh. Hey, what do you want for your last meal?
God, there is nothing accurate about that attempted offense.
Oh, you're being too kind. Some people would use other words to describe what we just witnessed. Oh, talk about getting flattened. Back into the ring now.
Yeah, this is good. This is where the action needs to be. He's sending a message to the entire... And this has got to be it.
It's it. It's over.
No chance to catch your breath. Stomp after stomp after stomp.
When will they ever stop? This is unbelievable.
Nobody comes back from this. He's making a statement here with this attack. This might be it. A well-placed strike.
He got him. Oh, what an offensive move. Inside the ring again.
Yeah, and they should be. This is where the action needs to be.
Uh-oh, look at this.
Not today, too fast. Extra slow getting back to his base here.
Submission hold locked in, and he's in big trouble.
Take this look at this man. He's all business.
And that's the way he has to be if he wants to win here tonight. Oh, wait, nice reversal.
Oh, I think this man means business.
Really pushing his opponent to the limit here.
We're looking at complete domination here.
Oh, after that, you're not seeing stars, you're looking at constellation. Well, it'll take a minor miracle to come back from this. He is just...
Will he be victorious?
I think this is it.
Buena, boy.